Let's start with our rainbow alphabet arc. So, first letter of the alphabet is A. Last letter of the alphabet is Z. Middle letter of the alphabet, M. Press pause now to complete your alphabet arc. Okay, let's go through the answers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Press pause now. Check the direction of your letters and the position. So the word that we're doing today, let's look at the sounds that we're doing. So I have here thief, chief, brownie. Let's hear that again. Thief, chief, brownie. Thief, chief, brownie. E sound. Spelling of this, I take my I, I take my E. Those two phonemes together create a digraph called E. E. So let's look at the spelling. Let's see where it appears in the words. Thief, chief, brownie. So we can see here that it's in the middle, and we see in brownie it's at the end. Usually it is in the middle of a word rather than at the end, but it can appear at the end as well. So I've created my card, I've drawn my brownie, I put the E sound, I'm going to put this in my bag, I'm going to practice this during the week. You do the same. E, brownie. E, brownie. Okay. So let's do some reading. I have chief, grieve, brief, belief, fiend, grief, yield, field, thief, peace, niece, shriek, siege, shield, priest, brownie, believe, achieve, relieve. Press pause now to practice reading those words. I'm going to practice writing them, so I'm going to practice my sounds first and how to write it. So I'm going to do my I, I, I. So I start at the top, go down and flick. I, I, I. I, I, I. To make my E sound, I need two phonemes. I need my E as well. So E goes along, create a semicircle, go down and round. E, 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 E. Now let's practice writing that sound. Here we go. So I'm going to practice writing the sound first. Okay, so I've got my ear start at the top, go down and dot. My E goes across, semicircle, down and round. E. Let me join that together. E. The word I'm going to practice is chief. So I am going to put these other cards to the side. Okay. Ch-eef, ch-eef, chief, chief, ch-eef, 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 check it. Correct. I'm going to practice some sentences. An umbrella can shield you from the rain. Another piece of the puzzle fell into place. The teacher will take the class on a field trip. I believe that this medicine may relieve the pain. The message in the note was brief and to the point. Judy ate a fudge brownie with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. In the tale, the princess wept in grief before the cruel king. The thief will try to steal a valuable gem from the museum. So, press pause now to practice saying those sentences. The sentence I'm going to practice is, I'm going to go with two of the E sounds, also with the magic E. So I'm going to try sentence 4. So I've got a lot to remember. So I need to remember so it's a sentence, it's a capital I and a full stop at the end. The E and the E sound with the magic in the end. I believe that this medicine may relieve the pain. I believe that this medicine may relieve the pain. I believe that this medicine... No, I've forgotten, so I'm going to have a look. I believe that this medicine may relieve the pain. I believe that this medicine may relieve the pain. I believe that this medicine will relieve the pain. Okay, it's a sentence, so I needed a full stop. I've got my magic E's, and also there was a digraph, split digraphy on the end. Okay, let me have a look. I believe that this medicine will, may instead of will. Let me change that. I believe that this medicine may relieve the pain. But my spellings are good, so I'm pleased I've got my spellings well spelled.